I am an avionics technician, and I work on 737 aircraft. So every day I remove and replace components from the aircraft in order to fix them so people can fly around the world safely. It's not man's work. Anyone is able to do it. And the good thing about having a diverse set of people doing it is that everybody brings something different to the table. There's tons of people retiring right now, and not enough people are going to school for it. The demand is going to be up, and there's going to be plenty of areas for growth in this industry, especially when it comes to the manufacturing side of it. We will need intelligent and creative people, girls, to be at the forefront of these new manufacturing and aviation maintenance techniques. Take your time to get there. Wherever it is that you're going, you will eventually get there, and the journey itself is the most beautiful part.